this is day 2, episode 100, and look who's dancing along beside me. You know who he is. What's up? We were waiting in line, waiting on the next bus. One just pulled off, but it was full already. Bus was full. He's waiting on the short one. But hey, but everybody, you all know this is Little Guy here at Matt's 2018.
What's going on, everybody?
Hey. This is 25-year trucking veteran and 5-year YouTube veteran, Trucker Jukebox.
And just, yeah.
You're kind of into the tunes, right?
Kinda. I got a radio show I do on Sunday mornings, you know, but...
Now, where can they tune into your radio show?
Just go to Spreaker Radio, Trucker Jukebox.
Right.
Boom, right there it is. Every Sunday morning, 2-hour show.
Boom.
Yeah, it's classic, country, you know. And then every day, 2018, promoting a video every day. Every day, no matter what it is.
You are a daily vlogger.
I sure am, and boy, is it it's a job.
I bet it is. I bet it is.
Yeah.
Now, is this edited stuff or just hit record?
Edit, yeah.
Oh man, I respect that.
40 clips, you know. I just got to go in there.
Yeah.
Use that Adobe Premiere, put her together real nice.
Right on.
But I know you, because I've been watching you. Yeah, he is live, man. When I watch you, that inspires me. I can start my day, how you doing? And I watch your video, like, hey, everybody. You know.
Well, I appreciate you saying that, Trucker Jukebox. Great meeting you.
You betcha.
Hey, bus driver.
Good morning. How are you?
Awesome. Morning, everybody. Hello, people. Hello.
Hello.
We come back to the same spot.
Yes, sir.
All right. Woohoo! I have made it to the North Wing. I was doing a live YouTube video like just a couple of minutes ago, but I ended up losing signal as I was going through those hallways and everything, so it's cut off. So we're back on the big boy camera. I found it! Ron McNally! This looks familiar, right? But people, I'm getting ready to experience amazing customer service. What happened yesterday, I bought a brand new tablet GPS, but it was missing like the most important wire.
What's up, YouTube? What's going on? I'm here at the truck show, Mid-America Truck Show here in Kentucky, and it's a blast right now. I hope you guys subscribe, and don't forget to come check out Mid-America Truck Show.
That's right. Thanks a lot, AJ.
Yep.
Got it! That was easy peasy. I just told him it wasn't in my box, and he handed me one, brand new in the plastic. party spot. It's
Yes,
like
we
a
really
disco
do.
going on right
Everyone
here.
comes here and parties with us. Literally, like the music is like so loud. So make sure to check us out next year, okay?
All right. I like this truck, guys. This is a Freightliner Coronado, and it's kind of one of my colors. All right, I am back inside. I think I'm in like the south wing or something like that. It's pretty nice here. But I just did my second live video for the day. Not too many people were on it. I ended up dropping the first one. But I'm gonna, I guess, give Yeti a call, see if I can catch him where they're at, or a little guy a call, because I want to hang out. All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm sitting here with Braden, his brother Eden, and his dad Robert. But I come walking in and they're like, "That's Trucker Jim."
And we drove 150 miles and watch it every night on YouTube.
Appreciate you guys coming up and say hello.
Oh, I'm just watching.
Oh, okay. This is pretty cool. I was like, I wonder where Yeti's at. So I called him. And he's right over here. I was like 50 yards from him.
Hey, Trucker Jim. I think I drank too much that night. What do you think? Oh, you can't. Oh, God.
This, guys, is a glider system. If I was ever going to do flatbed again, especially as an owner-op, this is what I would want.
That's all it is. Oh yeah, super easy to go.
And there it goes. I'm just curious. I'm a company guy that's dry van at the moment, but this is on YouTube. How much does a setup like this cost generally?
Dan would maybe know what a setup would cost for this.
A setup like this one like this with all the stainless steel, about 18,000.
18,000
For the tarp, not for the whole trailer.
Oh, okay. That's to convert a trailer to
existing
this.
flatbed.
Okay. That was lots and lots of different types of trailers there. But now we are in the land of Mack. And I've never really looked at any Mack trucks. So what do you say, people? Let's take a look. This is what's underneath of the Mack truck. This is the outside of the Mack truck. Looks kind of different. I don't see a lot of these on the road compared to your other truck brands, but let's check out the inside. People are really checking them out. I haven't been able to make it inside one of these Mack trucks yet. I've made it inside a Mack truck. I like the window there. sleeper sits up high. But this is the interior of the Mac. This one has the phone and audio controls on the steering wheel. Seats are pretty awesome. Nice little closet. Ah, a drawer style refrigerator. That's pretty cool. No worries.
Melko kulmikasta muotoa.
Alright, we are here with HP
3D printing.
3D printing. Everything you see here, guys, is not put together. Even this. How many pieces is in this?
One piece, all one piece.
Now, how does that work?
So it's we have a 3D printer that's based on a powder-based printing. So it's like we use one of our print heads, prints in layers. So if you think of the 2D printer, prints in layers, the bed moves down and it prints in layers, so you can get as many parts as you want inside the layer bed. This is a good depiction of what it looks like. Multiple parts, multiple times. Print anything that your mind can dream of.
That's amazing, though. Potential is limitless.
Limitless. Whatever you can think of, we can pretty much print inside this bed. 80% reusable material, so less cost, faster than anybody on the market right now. So absolutely, this is what we do. We sell the 3D printer, so we offer other solutions to manufacturers. So
our target is personalized products and long tail service parts. Specifically for trucking. Very, very distinct pain points and interest levels.
So, like,
very cool product is right here. Absolutely.
Yes, exactly.
All these threads right here are print. Everything in this model is printed. Nothing after, you know. So printed the threads inside and out, ready to come off the printer, use in your vehicle, whatever you want to use it on.
So what you're telling me is, if I've got like some 1955 Peterbilt that I can't find a alternator or some part on, if you guys get the specs, instead of trying to find it, we can just create it?
If you have the CAD data, yes, you can
create it.
The future is here, people. They're going to be making hearts next. Can't take it anymore, people. I'm ready for some lunch. All of this for 17 bucks. And you have a place you can sit down, which I've been on my feet like all day. So I'm gonna take a lunch break. Hello, ladies.
Hi, how you doing?
Awesome. Table for one, please.
Sure.
I have pot roast next to my salad.
Well, that was a pretty good lunch. But now, it's time to go outside and find the show trucks. I think it's only about 1.5 miles in this direction. Class pays, okay. Where are you guys from?
South Carolina.
And how do you know me?
We watch your YouTube channel all the time. We love it. It's a good channel.
Well, thanks a lot. All right, another subscriber. And just to let you guys know, if you ever run into me, all you gotta say is Trucker Jim, I want to be in the vlog. And you know what? I'll record you. I will, I promise. I've got yet another amazing product. This is the guys from Strastfast, which stands for Slide
Set, Release, Air Slide Tandem Fast.
Say that 6 times fast, right? But you guys have seen me with my 5th wheel puller all the time. This is next level. This one actually has a flashlight. It's a much more sturdier build, and if you got a T680, you know how hard that can be. But this is for the air at the back of the tandem, and I bet this is sturdy enough. If those pegs are popping out, you could pop them back in there. I think I would probably bend my little cheap $15 one. How does somebody get one of these if they're not at the truck show?
Well, you can go online at
Strastfast.com and many different colors. Another great product, YouTube. This is the fuel cap bib. This is Paul's creation, and for all you owner-operators that have nice, shiny, beautiful tanks, you don't want this scratching it up, right? That's why you need the fuel bib.
Bib out on PRTinnovations.com.
That's right.
Real men wear bibs.
I'm back at the bus. It's time to go back over to Papa John's Stadium. Hey, bus driver.
Howdy, howdy.
Right off the food court.
It goes right out the food court by the West Pavilion where we came to get on the bus.
Sorry guys, I never made it to the show truck. I'm sure somebody on YouTube's got them. All right, I'm back in the truck, and I just called Uber. Well, I called Massey Uber first, but he's occupied at the moment. So I just sent for another Uber that's supposed to be here in 4 minutes because I need a ride to the UPS store to pick my newly repaired drone up. But this is my new GPS. I'm not finished setting my address book up all the way, but I think I'm gonna like this. Especially now that it'll stay charged, now that I got a charging cord. But one thing I like about it, it comes off, it goes right back on. But I just got a text from Uber. Jacob, my driver, which is driving a Chevy Tahoe, should be here any moment now. Okay, I gotta go out to the road to meet the Uber driver. He was telling me all the gates were blocked. There's one that's not, D, down here. But I don't know what time the UPS store closes. It's like 5 o'clock now, so heck, I've already walked 5 miles today. It was another 100 yards or 2, you know? I see him. He's in a Tahoe. Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm Trucker Jim, man.
How you doing?
Your ride's nice.
Oh, thank you.
All right, we're at the UPS store. Mavic Pro drone, here I come.
Jim Davis,
Yeah,
can I see your ID?
certainly. Guys, I am so happy to have my drone back. I'm gonna fly it when we get back to the truck. As long as it'll let me. You know, we are kind of close to the airport. But I've got to stop by this vape shop down here because the vape shop I was in the other day gave me the wrong coils. So I need the right ones. All right, we're in the Vapor Lab, people.
Yeah, we are.
Louisville, Kentucky.
Yeah.
That's right. Hooking me up with the correct coils, which perfect. You got any just unbelievably killer, yummy juice? I'm more of a desserty, bourbony, cakey kind of guy.
What Nicky vape?
I'm a 3.
3.
She got Morgana?
Yeah. Let me see your finger, bud.
Okay.
So Tamper is double chowder.
It's Morgana. It's Irish cream shortbread cookie.
And those fit the 60s and 80s.
That's pretty nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah, I'll take that.
All right.
Well, that was day 2 of the Mid-American Truck Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video and make it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but I can now say I've been there, I've done that, and I've got the t-shirt. I'm expecting this won't be my last truck show. I had a great time, met some wonderful people, met some other YouTube truckers, met some subscribers and some fans. I know some of them were included in this episode. That was a lot of fun. I like doing things with other people instead of just, you know, the one-man show, which most of my, you know, videos have been, but this was officially episode 100 of season 2. So thanks for all the support up until, you know, now, and my intention is to keep cranking out good content for you guys. But thanks a lot for watching. If you like this episode, do like these subscribers here and give it a big thumbs up. But thanks again for watching, guys, and 2 of my buddies are gonna close us out. Go ahead, boys.
Be safe out there and keep on trucking.
You tell them, Ethan, but I'll see all of you next time, and we're going to end with a little more drone footage.